Welcome to Lynn Imaging's how-to video series. Today, we're learning how to change the ink on the HP DesignJet Z. First, from the control panel, select Ink. It will show you your ink levels and alert you if any need to be replaced. Next, select the Options button in the lower right corner. This will prompt you to replace the ink. Next, open the ink bays by pulling them open from the blue line. Then grasp the empty ink cartridge firmly and pull straight out. Replace it by sliding it into the slot and pressing it down firmly. The Z9 has two ink bays, on the right and the left. Make sure to check both ink bays for anything that needs to be replaced. When you're finished, close both ink bays and the computer will run through its processes. When it is finished, it will let you know. You now know how to change the ink in the HP DesignJet Z9.